Hello everyone, my name is Yogananda RC and currently pursuing my MBA in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. So today my topic is Transaction Processing System. What is Transaction Processing System? A transaction processing system is a type of data management information processing software used during a business transaction to manage the collection and retrieval of both customer and business data. Components of transaction processing system. Inputs. Input to the transaction processing system consists of source documents such as invoice, customer orders, and purchase orders. These documents serve as the initial data or instructions that enter the TPS, typically initiated either by a user or an external system. Processing system. The processing unit within the TPS is responsible for interpreting the input data, ensuring its accuracy, and executing appropriate actions based on the type of transaction. This involves tasks like calculating order tools, updating inventory levels, and validating customer information and generating invoice as required. Types of transaction processing system. Batch processing. In batch processing, transactions are gathered and processed together at scheduled inventory, notably in groups or batches. This method involves accumulating transactions over some time and then processing the collectivity as a single unit. Due to this accumulation, there is a time delay between when the transaction takes place and when it is processed. While batch processing is efficient for handling larger volume and transactions, it tends to have slower response times compared to real-time processing. Example, a customer pays for a subscription service at the end of the month. The TPS system processes the transaction as a batch because they occur at the same time. In this case, a delay in processing transaction is acceptable because the system only interprets batches once per month. Real-time processing. Real-time processing involves the immediate processing of each transaction as it happens without any delay. This means the transactions are processed instantly and the results are available immediately. Real-time processing is essential for applications where immediate feedback is required, such as online banking, e-commerce platforms, and inventory management systems. Example, an e-commerce website might be a TPS to process credit card transactions in real time to ensure payments before the company starts its uh, full-time processes. Processing transactions in real time also helps the company identify and address errors quickly as well as increase its overall response time. Characteristics of transaction processing system. Rapid response. In a transaction processing system, it's pivotal to ensure swift performance and rapid response times. This ensures the input transactions are processed quickly, limiting delays for customers and management operational efficiencies. Reliability. Organizations heavily depend on TPS for smooth business operations. Any system failure could disturb these operations significantly. And therefore, TPS must incorporate robust backup and recovery procedures to ensure quick and accurate recovery in case of failure, ensuring reliability and continuity. Inflexibility. TPS processes each transaction in standardized manner regardless of the user of your timing. This rigidity is pivotal to maintaining consistency and preventing deviations that could lead to errors or insufficiencies in operations.